I love cooking with pumpkin, and butternut pumpkin is my absolute favorite because it is easy to cut and it has got a beautiful texture and flavor to it. And in today's episode I'm gonna share with you my slightly spicy Asian inspired pumpkin soup. Anke here from Sweetest Cooking, and it is so lovely to see you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. I love to serve the pumpkin soup with a little bit of coconut milk drizzled on top and some more chopped coriander leaves. Now let's give it a go. It is so creamy, a little bit spicy, and you can taste the coriander and the coconut milk. And to make it even more special, I like to serve this pumpkin soup with my bubbly, beautiful sourdough focaccia. And if you would like to know how to make this beautiful bread, then you have to check out my next video. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.